Kittl versus Adobe Illustrator. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare their features. Kittl is a browser-based design tool with ready-to-use templates, text effects, and a focus on ease of use, while Adobe Illustrator is the industry standard vector graphics software with unmatched professional tools. Next is their learning curve. Kittl is beginner friendly. You can start designing within just minutes, while Adobe Illustrator has a steep learning curve, but it offers far more control and customization. Next is the collaboration and accessibility. Kittl works directly in your browser with cloud saving, which is great for quick edits from any device, while Adobe Illustrator requires installation and it works best on powerful desktops, though Adobe now offers cloud document syncing. Lastly is their pricing. Kittl offers affordable monthly plans, while Adobe Illustrator comes with Adobe Creative Cloud, which can be expensive but includes other Adobe apps too. So for final verdict, if you want fast, template-based design work, you can choose for Kittl. But for professional grade, highly customizable design, you can go for Adobe Illustrator. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.